They are inevitable. But the power that we have to create solutions through this platform, they are infinite. And that is why we would like to present to you the Trico Library, our eco project presented by the Team Asia and Oceania Miss Earth 2023. This Trico Library will incorporate 3 concepts: the plastic bottles that are collected all throughout the Miss Earth journey, and lastly, of course, the library itself. The plastic bottles that we have here will be our sustainable building materials that will be used to tackle the problem of overconsumption, overproduction, and also plastic pollution. The trees and the seedlings that will be incorporated inside the plastic bottles will be the emblem or the representation of the imperative or the importance of trees and the tree planting, and how it can be the most proven and yet the most cost-efficient climate change mitigation and adaptation practice that anyone in the community can do. Everyone, including you, can do. #MeLovesTrees. And of course, number 3 is the library itself. We have to understand that the library will be the emblem and the representation of all our advocacies put together in one space to raise awareness on the causes of environmental awareness, action, and most importantly, social connection. And the idea behind our Trico Library is if we cannot attack the problem directly from its core, if we cannot attack the plastic pollution, overconsumption, and overproduction directly from its core, then we have this platform to create and think of ingenious or new ways to lengthen the life cycle of these plastic bottles and turn them from wasteful into something useful. And not only that, because we want to strengthen the impact of our library, then we are going to take it globally. We are going to take it back to our individual countries, and we will plant this seed of hope and sow them in the future. And as you can see here, we will shape it and we will design it in a way that will be really enticing and really appealing to the tourists of the countries. We don't want it to seem like a typical community library only, but we want it to become an art piece that will not only be contributory to the environmental education of the people in the community, but also contributory to the ecotourism of our beautiful countries. We're going to present to you the design of our Trico Library, but of course, for a visual, concrete representation, we also have here the samples that we did, and we are hoping that for you to see this, we are hoping that you also realize that with the amount of time that we had been given, we are able to come up with something that is tangible and something that is feasible for people to see. The real question is, and the idea is, how much more impact can we leave? How much more impact can we contribute to the community if we have more time, if we have more resources, and if we have more people working with us? That we have presented you, we are tackling multiple climate problems at one. Overconsumption, overproduction. We also aim to use the platform to promote climate awareness and climate action through the trees and the seedlings that are in it. But most importantly, wrapping it up with education, with the library. It is not only a short-term impact that we are wanting to leave in this Miss Earth platform, but we are wanting to create a longer lasting impact for the long term, now and to the future. Thank you.